Are you ready to pay the price?
Choose your death. Pick your poison. It all ends the same.
Yeah, I see the fear. I'm picking it anyway.
First opponent, the need for comfort. Good. Pain means I'm awake.
Why leave? It's safe here. Stay small. Stay soft. Stay with me. Your safety is a trap.
Look out! I'm not a child anymore. The world is too hard. Give up.
The comfort zone is where dreams die.
Wake up!
But I loved you.
Nostalgia is trying to kill you.
Go back to sleep. It's easier.
Die fighting than live sleeping. You can't outrun time.
Don't breathe. Don't move.
Little regret. Grandma is hungry.
I have to find the exit.
They are watching. No one leaves.
Time for treatment. Resistance is a symptom. You can't fight the system.
I am awake!
The world wants to freeze you out.
Processing. Started.
Always crashes! Ah!
To be continued.